please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, today I'm going to be talking about my Ricoma EM 1010, a sale that Ricoma has right now, and something called Decosummit. So you do not want to miss this video. If you're trying to start your embroidery business, your personal apparel business, it's going to be a couple of gems here and there. I'm going to show you really quickly some things I embroidered. That hat was one of the first things I embroidered. Then look at this Queen Dreamer design. This is a duffel bag. It turned out super duper cute. One of my top sellers was the Detroit 313 design that I actually created myself. ChonitaNicole currency, another Detroit 313. This is a top seller, y'all. Actually, that's my top seller, period. The ChonitaNicole experience is so cute. Look how amazing these designs are. And these were all done with my Ricoma EM 1010. I affectionately call it Pretty Ricky. Okay, this was the first item I actually sold. Shout out to Brittany for always trusting me. Cute little Valentine's Day onesie. I love this on a denim jacket. That was a success. Y'all watch that video. I'll tell y'all about it. So yeah, y'all, these are just a few. I made so much more items that I made with my Ricoma EM 1010. I think you guys should check it out, and we have some nice sales that's going on. So let's take a look at that. Okay, y'all, we are on the Ricoma website. My affiliate link, please use my affiliate link. If you contact Ricoma, get anything, order anything, I would greatly appreciate that. So we do have a wonderful Memorial Day sale that is going on right now, where you can save up to 45% off and free shipping on select items. You can click that shop now and see what items I'm talking about, okay? So this is just a website. It's talking about all types of wonderful things. You can shop by different categories: heat presses, printers, sewing machines, embroidery accessories, etc. Best-selling products. You see that good chroma digitizing software, and you can save 20% right now on that. Tons of other wonderful items that's on sale. Now we're going to go into the best-selling embroidery machines really quickly. Let me just show you the rest of the website, and we're going to jump into that embroidery. You guys know I have the Ricoma EM 1010. Pretty Ricky is what I call it. And we are going to just hop in, okay? So we're going to go to shop these embroidery items. So like I said, huge memorial sale going on. You definitely want to check it out. Have attractive monthly payments and special promotional financing, you guys. So I've been getting a lot of people ask about embroidery recently, and this would be the time to go ahead, contact them, let them know ChonitaNicole of Do Dream On sent you, and get more information, okay? So if you want to maximize your savings during our biggest sale of the year, check out our Memorial Day sale deals to capitalize on growing demand for your custom apparel this season, okay? You can save big on embroidery, on white toner transfers, on DTF, direct to film. All of these wonderful items here. So why Ricoma, you may be asking? You'll go from beginner to pro in no time with Ricoma. Our all-inclusive embroidery machines come equipped with all the accessories and tools you need to embroider flats and caps and get started on your first orders. Meanwhile, our free support and training has helped business owners develop the highest quality, longest lasting embroidered products and keep their customers coming back. Second to none customer support, direct from the factory to your doorstep, and the highest quality and garment customization, okay? Tons of reasons. Unbeatable financing, no hassle, 100% satisfaction, okay? And then it just gives, if you're an embroidery enthusiast, if you're a startup or commercial, tons of different options for you, and you can click that and look more. So you can start making money right away with free training and support. All right, super dope, super amazing. And you could even boost your embroidery design skills with Chroma. Tons of people giving their testimonials. Awesome. So that's just a little bit about the sale that we have currently going on. But I'm going to jump into the Deco Summit. If you have not heard of the Deco Summit, I'm going to just briefly go over it. The early bird sale ends in 62 days. Okay. So this is the world's best apparel educational experience. It's from September 28th through September 30th, 2023 in Miami, Florida. And the tickets are on sale now. You could click this video here to learn more about it, but I'm just going to briefly go over what is Deco Summit. Deco Summit is a 3-day annual educational conference designed to give apparel decorators of all backgrounds the comprehensive knowledge and networking opportunities they need to succeed in the custom apparel industry. With countless seminars on embroidery, printing, and everything in between, Deco Summit is where decorators come together to learn what's new, what's in demand, what's actually working right now in their industry. Whether you're a first-time business owner, crafter, machine operator, technician, or even an apparel decorating guru, Deco Summit is for you. Then you can register. They have another wonderful video you can watch. And if you want to know about the classes, they have business seminars, hands-on machine training, open Q&A. Y'all see Katrina right there? Hey, sis. And this is absolutely amazing, you guys. Classroom style demonstrations, products expeditions, hands-on Ricoma software training. And you can read more about each of the classes. I will have this link down in the description as well. You can ask the tech and software demonstrations. So we have something special for you. If you were to sign up, you can get an additional 10% off your Deco Summit tickets using code ChonitaDeco23. So ChonitaDeco23, Chonita DECO23. Okay, you can get an additional 10% off of your ticket. So this is some testimonials, wonderful things people have talked about. They have new technology, all type of accessories, different things. If you want to know if the Deco Summit is for you, if you've recently launched your custom embroidery or printing business and you want to learn as much as possible to get started on the right foot, it's for you. If you're planning on getting started in the custom apparel industry and would like to learn more before you dive in, this is for you. If you want to learn how to grow your custom apparel side hustle into a full-time business, Deco Summit is for you. If you want to train your employees in the proper practices necessary to run an efficient and profitable custom apparel business, it's for you. If you're an embroiderer or printer looking to explore different apparel decoration methods to expand your business services, Deco Summit is for you. And if you want customized classes for a specific skill set on the topics you really care about, then the Deco Summit is for you. All right. And then it just talks about all types of things. If you're just doing it for a hobby or a business, if you're a self-starter, all types of wonderful things. It doesn't matter your level of experience. They have things for beginner, intermediate, as well as advanced. And here are the prices. So you can register early and save. We have the super early bird special. I had talked about that previously in my stories and different things like that. Right now we're on the early bird, and then we have a last minute. So you can pick your price, use ChonitaDeco23 for an additional 10% off. And yeah, it's really dope. They even have the schedule all set up for you. You can, I'm just going to skim through this. You can take a look at this yourself. We're going to shout out some of the speakers really quickly. Henry Ma, that's Ricoma's CEO. We have Alan Wade, y'all know A-Dub Productions, Joe Perez. We have Mr. Hurd, Miss Anderson, Mr. Robert. We have Mr. Andrew. So it's tons of different people that will be speaking, and you can check all of those people out there. And yeah, you guys, shout out to A-Dub. Y'all know that's our friend A-Dub, and Harry Ma, he's a CEO. And shout out to everybody else that are presenting, okay? Super dope. And when and where. Oh, look at the venue, guys. It looks so nice. Talk about a vacation in Miami, Florida. Super dope. So it's at the Hilton Miami Airport, Blue Lagoon Hotel, and September 28th through 30th, 2023. Super nice, you guys. And then it has tons of facts. All right, so much information about it, and you could go ahead and check that out. The link will be down below. Okay, guys, so this is Decosummit 2023. You go ahead, check that out. We went over things for Ricoma. I have the EM1010 and I'm absolutely in love with it. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to share that information with you guys. I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you guys come on out to Decosummit. It's going to be absolutely amazing. You do not want to miss it. And yeah, y'all, that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dreamer is the handle. TikTok, Do Dreamer is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.